Let's say I'm going on vacation or there's a family emergency. This will put your account on hold. You're going to click the settings icon, account info. Once you go there, it's going to take you to this page, vacation settings right there. Click on it. Once you're in vacation settings, let's do it together. It's going to take you to this page, store status and vacation settings. And then you're going to click edit. Now you can see I already have Mexico, Canada, Brazil on vacation mode. You're going to click save and then you are good to go. Now you can click on learn more about listing and status of vacation. Once you click save, sometimes it takes 60 minutes for it to be fully active. So just be aware of that. And there are some information from Amazon that they told us. There's two super important reasons to use vacation mode, and they have some two reasons, right? And if you're ready to set up vacation mode, it's easier than packing your suitcase. So I already showed you how. Now, before you head out, keep these important points in mind. Always have a plan for those buyer messages. They still need responses within 24 hours. So you still have to respond to buyers. Take care of existing orders before activating vacation mode. If possible, set everything up before your actual break starts. So they're saying to enable vacation mode, probably like if you can, like 24 hours before you actually are going on vacation, or, but things come up in life. That's what they're pretty much saying. Just do your best to achieve these three. And then while you're in vacation mode, you should be good to go. Obviously, you're not going to be getting many more buyer messages if you've been on vacation for a little bit, because buyers aren't going to be reaching out to you since there's no new orders. So keep all this in mind. But that's it in a nutshell. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing off.